Hey everyone, I'm back. I'm Russ, and I'm really excited to kick off this video where I'll be sharing my experience with wearing a hair system. I like my system to look as natural as possible, so I clean and reapply it about every 2 weeks. There is a learning curve. You've got to figure out how to apply it, how to clean it, how to make it blend just right. You've got to maintain it. You've got to plan ahead for travel, for workouts, even for weather sometimes. It's more than most people probably need to do, but it's what works for me, and I've set the routine. So let's do it. Let's get into it. I start with a solvent. I use C22. I always spray a little bit along my hairline, kind of rub it in. I always start getting it to lift a tad along the edges of the system using that adhesive remover. I go slow because I do not want to irritate my system. Okay, so now I start with spraying some of that same adhesive around, and I use a microfiber and kind of just clean it around. Okay, before I place it, I'm going to use a scalp protector. This helps create a barrier between my skin and the adhesive, which keeps things cleaner and helps the bond last longer. Let it dry for about a minute or so. I do have a new system that was sent to me. It is a lace center poly perimeter with a lace front. So what I will then do is put tape all around the perimeter before I apply it to my head. Now I'll be using a positioning spray. This is a complete game changer. It gives me a few seconds to adjust the placement before the tape fully sticks. And once it dries, the bond locks in quick and perfectly. I've already applied the tape, so we're ready to go. I'll now mist the tape. So now that the scalp is clean and prepped, it's time to apply the new system. So what I had done now is I had gotten it all wet to prepare for the front application for the lace. I just have one of these headbands that I make sure is pulling all my hair back, so then I can pull up, as you can see, where I need to glue the lace. I want to make sure that the system is down as good as it can be, and that's why I use the Ghost Bond. I'll film the haircut installing process too, so you'll see that in the next clip, so you can see how it all comes together. But for now, that's the application, clean, secure, and ready for the haircut. So I will see you soon.